Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hey everyone, we all know that this week is known and celebrated as the World Space Week. The World Space Week is an important and international event celebrated since 1999 according to the UN resolution. In India, World Space Week is celebrated every year under the auspices of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center and ISRO. During this, events and educational programs with special focus on space are organized within and outside VSSC based on the theme declared by the UN. ISRO also conducts so many competitions during this period. ISRO is the Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO is the primary agency of the Indian government, established in 15th August 1969 and headquartered in Bengaluru. The motto of ISRO is Space Technology in the Service of Humankind. The launch vehicles are SLV, ASLV, PSLV, GSLV and GSLV-3. The launch facilities are in ISRO Satellite Center Bangalore, Satish Dhawan Space Center Sriharikota, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center Tiruvananthapuram and Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station Tiruvananthapuram. So, on this occasion, we will discuss two achievements of the Indian Space Research Organization, one being PSLV C-37 and the other Mangalyaan.
So, let's start with PSLV C-37. PSLV C-37 was the 39th mission of the Indian Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV program and its 16th mission in the XL configuration. PSLV C-37 successfully carried and deployed a record of 104 satellites in sun-synchronous orbits. PSLV C-37 was launched from the first launch pad FLP of Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. It is the 16th flight of PSLV in XL configuration with the use of solid strap motors. The 101 nano satellites are launched as a part of the commercial arrangement between the international customer and Antrix Corporation Limited, Antrix, Government of India Company under the Department of Space, Government of Indian Company under Department of Space, DOS, the commercial arm of ISRO.
The Mars Orbiter Mission, MOM, also called Mangalyaan. It is India's first interplanetary mission. The operator of this mission is ISRO. It was launched in Satish Dhawan Space Center on 5 November 2013. It started to orbit Mars from 24 September 2014. The important persons behind the mission are K. Radhakrishnan, the chairperson of ISRO, M. Annadurai, the program director, S. Ramakrishnan, the director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, S. K. Shivakumar, orbiting director. Mass. The total lift of Mars was 1350 kg, including 850 kg of propellant mass. Dimension. It is cuboid in shape, approximately 1.5 cm. Power. Electric power is generated by 3 solar array panels of 1.8 into 1.4 meter each. Electricity is stored in a 36 Li-ion battery.
After the success of the mission Mangalyaan, India achieved so many milestones. The main milestone was that India became the first country to have entered the Martian orbit in its first attempt. India also became the fourth country to launch a mission to the Mars in the world and the first Asian country to have successfully launched its Mars orbiter mission Mangalyaan, which entered the orbit of the red planet in 2014. Thank you.